Yep, there it is on Twitch. Yep, there it is on Twitch. I think that's right, Mike. I need to sort out my noise gate. You guys get to see me mess with settings. Yay. Yep, that's right, Mike, because I made a big pop. Oh, except you guys kind of see half settings because, yeah. Anyways. I can turn... Well, I can rename you. And turn you on. There we go. Make sure I'm not dropping frames or anything. Lower that a little bit. And I think I'm ready to start the stopwatch. Okay. Wasn't there something I'm working on? Yes, there it is. Yep. I can uncomment that out. I forget how my ranks work. Do I have a... No, I just have... Yeah, I just have that stuff. Yeah, no, I do not have a separate config for each rank. Didn't think I did, but... Okay. Actually, I have an instance variable for a reason, so I don't confuse player and my main. Actually, first I might want to check if the player is in a village. Oh yeah, I need to do other things, don't I? This dot in... Do I not have a general check in any village? No, I should add that. Wonderful start. Because I'm programming, I need to concentrate. I won't be talking much. Oh, why did you switch? Whoops. You guys didn't actually see some of that because it was like weird. I never hit that button. Okay thing. That was weird. Anyways. So now, if this instance not get village list config, why did you switch again? Is whenever I hit enter. Oop. Dot contains villages dot one sec, I'm gonna make sure this thing's hotkey set correctly. Number 2. I'm just gonna delete you because I'll never actually use you. It was to show my spreadsheet, but oh well. Also, I'm getting an error someplace and I don't know where. Is it because I haven't saved you yet? Nope. Oh. That's where that was. Configuration section. Why this is not supposed to be a tutorial in any way. It's just supposed to be me wanting to code live streaming. You saw nothing. I really need to get my chat app working, because right now I can't pay very much attention to chat. What I can do is I can go here and show Twitch chat, but that's about it. Oops. You stay like that. You move over here. And I can see Twitch chat. Can't see YouTube chat. Start instance. Start. Get village list config. That get configuration section. Villages dot. That's wrong, and I always do that, which is stupid. String village colon villages dot get keys false semicolon. Boolean village is is equal to false. In village. Check it. Village. And that should be that. Because I already had this built, I could just use this to check for this. You'll see me using API stuff and other API stuff all the time. But if this doesn't contain villages, it's just gonna skip right past that and be like, okay, false. So if no village exists, he can't be in a village. And now I need to get the village he's in. $11. I also need to go here, shrink this down a little bit. Something's in my eye. I got it. And something's in my other eye. There we go. Yeah, this is what I was working on. I like to have little checks like these, that way I don't get returning null. Because null is bad, because it throws pointer exceptions. Anyways, where do I go from here? I haven't entirely decided how the rank system is going to work. I think in the rank configuration file it's going to have the permission, and then so what I want to do is I want to go if this dot get village permission data for the specified village contains rank dot and configuration section. You can see why I'm making API for this stuff, so that way when because I'm going to be checking if the player has a sub permission a lot, I'm gonna be checking for what village the player is in a while. I'll check if the player is in any village every time I want to get his village. And this is used in that, and it's also used elsewhere. Village player. No, not. Village permission data for the village. For string. Right. Actually, do I have something for... Yes, I have getting the player's rank. So I don't need to make my own check here, but I do notice a fault down here. Oh, it's getting all the ranks and it's getting the rank raw. By default, I need to add a member rank that should not be deleted or else everything will explode. But hey, it's just there for in case something does happen and my plugin breaks and server people need to fix it. That reminds me. I should make a text file that says do not edit any of the config files unless something breaks in the config files. String rank is equal to s.get rank. Oh. Wow. I did a lot of work I didn't need to do. But what is going on here? This.instance.get village list. Did I add a get village list somewhere here? Oh no, I added it. Oh, I am derping so much right now. So, if rank is x with mark equal to null. Wow. just wow. And this is getting uploaded to YouTube, so return false. Except for default, you're gonna return false. So much false in so little time. You know, this is longer than my last coding session by a while. My last coding session was only 9 minutes because I wasn't feeling a lot of the coding urge. Da-da. This is gonna be very easy. So I can remove you and it's gonna complain about to me. Get village. Dot contains and that should get it to stop complaining about at me. So there's only one instance where it returns true. Yeah, that should already be it. Yeah, okay. I was just highlighting that because reasons. I think I might work on books some more. Is there an event for when a player signs a book? Book. Okay, there is a added book event. Good to know. I can turn my stopwatch back on and get chat and everything back up. So, new class. I'm just gonna name book edit. Probably spelled that completely wrong. And it's implements. And here it's probably going to yell at me. Public void on book edit player edit book event import event handler import player edit book event. And so first I need to check book is equal to event book. Book is equal to event get Oh, I can just go book meta. Why not? I can't get the direct book meta stuff. String page 1 equal to meta dot get page 1 if page 1 dot contains I might want to make that a string. What? Magic? I don't know. And I want to string title is equal to meta dot get title. Although it's technically the display name, but who cares? Why do I keep doing that? I know, plus book. Okay. And also I made a new class, so now I have to add a thing to my spreadsheet. So now I want to what's I actually need to redo some stuff because the ranks permission is going to be stored in an array list. So I need to go down to sub permission. Array list of a bunch of string. If list contains subpermission, then return true, else return false, and semicolons. There we go. Get pages. Get page. Yeah. Actually, I don't need to make the array list until I know that it's a permission book. Import array list. And that's why he was complaining about me. I'll have to check this out later. Yeah, I need to figure out how I'd end up splitting up the enters. Although I didn't want to keep this for statement because what I plan on doing is going into my server and testing that later. I'll have to go into my server later and test this. I know I've been only streaming for 35 minutes, but I'm only done with coding for now.